$50 for hotel buffet lunch in Singapore, no live chef stations, no marble grandeur, just a quiet cafe tucked inside Furama City Centre. So is it worth it? Come inside with me, past the lobby reception counter, into Tiffany Café and Restaurant, where the real luxury isn't the room, it's the spread waiting on the other side. And what a spread it is! Fresh seafood on ice, sizzling and cool, trays of local favorites steaming and fragrant, the kind of homestyle cooking so many of us grew up on. But here's what I love, the self-cooking stations. You pick your ingredients and you decide how it's done. It's a buffet that actually invites you to play. So I built my own laksa. That first spoonful, silky, spicy and so good. Then dessert, and this is where it quietly shines. A whole table of local delights, soft, colorful and sweet. And tucked in the corner, a waffle machine, ready when you are. The perfect unhurried finish to a very generous lunch. Worth it? For this spread? Absolutely. See you next time.